Hi, I'm Marco Castillo and I bring some sounds from Brazil.
Latin rhythms have been enchanting Winnipeggers for some time now, and Marco Castillo is bringing some of these flavors from his home. Marco is a musician who comes from one of the most famous cities in South America.
I'm from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, the capital of samba and the most beautiful city in the whole world. I have to say that. It's true, man.
Marco has gained a lot of experience throughout his years of teaching and performing live. He discovered his passion for music at an early age and picked up a guitar when he was still a boy.
Well, I started to play very early at the age 12, I think. I was a kid, almost a teenager. So I started to play at that age.
Marco plays different styles of Brazilian music, such as samba and bossa nova.
Oh, the bossa nova sounds like rhythm from Brazil.
Rio de Janeiro, carnaval que já passou. Chega de saudade, pois meu samba começou. Da carioca e das areias.
Marco has played many venues here in Winnipeg, but for him, it is not the place that is important, but the energy that he gets from performing live.
I had a lot of great times, on the stage and with musicians, so yeah, I don't have any special moment that this moment was so. Every moment was great, I think it's because I love music, so every time that I want on a stage show, to me is a special moment, and I do my best, and so it's.
Sem vergonha, culpa, que pecado do seu lado. Eu tô tão sem vergonha. Eu tô tão sem vergonha, culpa, que pecado.